Do you want makeup like this? Yes. Hey guys, it's Amber, and this is Adventuring with Amber Bunker. I can't stand that girl. Okay, everyone, that is obviously not my face. That is a charcoal outline of a face to show you how I did my outline. It takes less time. Not my best drawing, actually, but that's one of my really good drawings. It's more simple to do. Love isn't simple at all, but we'll get to that next episode. FaceTime! And some of the things that I used for this were a combination of paintbrushes, makeup brushes, and Q-tips, and my fingertips. We'll explain a little bit of that here in a little bit. But, going on to our face paint, I used Athena, got it off of Amazon. I'll make sure to include that in the link down below. Really, really good quality. And I Heart Revolution's Teddy Bear Eyeshadow Palette in Lulu. So cute. Also used that for the colors. And there's the Luna liner that I used, the charcoal pencil that has nothing to do with the makeup application, but everything to do with the face drawing that I made. See, there's the makeup brushes and paint brushes, and we'll explain those as far as textures and everything. And also, what did I have? Some glitter! Oh, all over the drawing. Wait 1 minute. Okay. What I did was I grabbed a thin paintbrush, but it kind of has a flat edge. Don't look at my nails. Pretty dirty. I'm an artist. And you want to go in your white on your Athena face paint, and I got it on both sides of the brush just to make sure we were covering that really good. I used my hand, the top of my palm, as a palette. What are those things called? Anyway, it's going to work really different from your face texture, but just to give you an idea of what I did, I drew a half of a diamond or triangle on the upper part where the end of your lid meets just around your tear duct, and you want to go just above the eyebrow or the brow of the eyebrow. And you want to do a triangle on the bottom too. And again, I'm sure you can use different shapes, you know. It's about preference. Ain't knocking ya. And for this portion, I outlined the mask, which I just put right under my nose and did 2 half circles or swoops. There's also going to be a swoop under her hair. It's suggested right there. You're going to see it. So if you don't see it, it's not that I didn't put it there. And just connect the 2 from the top to the bottom, and that's just under your ear and not all the way completely down to the bottom of your chin or jawline, that you get it in there. And there we have our basic outline of our mask. And next we want to add our colors, and you'll notice when I did the colors I followed not my same pattern that I did when I did my face, but we'll just go ahead and freestyle it right here. Traditional rainbow being red, orange, yellow, green, blue, magenta. And again, I just grabbed the thin paintbrush in my Athena face paints and went over that. And then I also did, oh, by the way, my fingers. Reason why I use those is we know exactly how much pressure you're applying. They're good for shading, and you can get any size brush you want for free. Saves you money, no? Fingers. I'll show you in a little bit how I do the shading. Back to the painting. Getting our blue and putting that in there here, and you just want to follow the lines. So when a new line meets another line is when you want to do the color transition or do a different color, and you want to blend those two. That's why I also use a Q-tip. A Q-tip's handy for blending, and I'll show that on a future beauty hack, or what was I going to call it? Let's see, balling on a budget. Here's a good example. And I'll see you guys for a little bit for the second portion of my face. No glitter, no part. Oh my gosh, I'm afraid of oh, that's me. Just kidding. Show you how I got this far. Took my Suave coconut oil, put some on the top of my hand, and just covered that with glitter. And you can get a paintbrush or a small Q-tip. And basically we're outlining colors that we have of glitter with the ones that we did of the face paint. I think I had pink, blue, and green. I couldn't find the green at the time though. Looking good, looking good, looking good. And right here, this part gets real funny. Looks like I'm doing a tutorial for Mary Kay or something. All prim and proper. Oh, just finishing the blue here with the glitter. And yeah, actually, you know what's more interesting than this? You want to see how fast I can put on eyelashes? Dun, 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 dun. Q-tip. And the glue that I'm using actually right here is hair extension glue, which I don't necessarily recommend, but it'll definitely help your lashes stay on. Wait for it. More than a day. But nobody wants to do that with their makeup, and just pop those right on there. Make sure they're sticking really good, and wait for it. Oh, ooh la 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 la, yes. And just to ensure those puppies ain't going anywhere, you want to push them in and don't apply them too close to your tear duct. And there we go. Not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. And my mascara that I used is Lash Blowout, part of my Ipsy sample bag. Trying to get it to where you can see it. There we go. Right there, Amber. Oh, nope, right there. Yep, right there. Usually start off with the bottom one, and oh man, it sounded like something was coming out on that end, because you have more mascara on the wand when you pull it out, so I do the bottom and the top. Almost done. Sometimes I put mascara too on my normal lash before I put my false lash on. Check it out. Wait, I already applied lashes. Oh my gosh, they gave me scissors. Somebody should have really taken those away. I don't think I knew that was a mustache, but you want to take your scissors, cut a centimeter's worth of a lash, and this is for the bottom. And I'm just getting my Q-tip, and honestly, any eyelash glue is fine, really. Put a little bit on there and put them on the bottom. Doesn't take much effort, and almost, voila. Oh. And here's the eyeliner that I use, also from Ipsy. This is Luna Liner. I love that eyeliner. It goes on so smooth, and actually, you know what? Some clowns do tricks. You want to see a magic trick? Yeah. You're looking good, 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 good. Yeah. Oh, too much, Amber. So this next part, you're just going to take a little bit more of the iridescent tape, and you're going to do the eyes, or above the brow and below the lash. You're going to want to cut it a little over a centimeter thick, and you can, of course, adjust this how you'd like, and just put it right on. That's it. That's literally it. Do the bottom one. Here's where I'm just putting that on, adjusting my makeup, and I'm going to take my I Heart Revolution eyeshadow palette bear, teddy bear, not in that order, in Lulu, that color right there. We're going to start our lips. Same brush that I'm using. We're going to take our palette for our face paint, and look, shadow. Oh, spot check. Are we washing our hands? Because you should. You're touching your face constantly, and it's gross if you don't. Like I said, though, you know how much pressure you're applying when you use your fingertips, and it's the perfect shader, at least for me. And just right there, we're going to add our pink from our Athena palette. The only palette I tried, actually, so far. Really, really good. Right there. Add a little bit of white, too, just to create the depth. And I don't know what this all is about. Oh gosh, that was kind of cool. The other side of the eye with the iridescent tape. And we're going to start the lips. I used the purple from the Athena palette.
2,000 years later. Tomorrow. So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and...
Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. Oh, my hands are getting tired. I really can't drum this long. I can't do it. Oh, Whew. Yeah, I had to stop that. But here we are. Just tighten that, and ta-da! time for my unpaid for lunch break. And if you haven't, you should subscribe already. You can also search me on Google, Amber Von Cure. Throw me a like on Facebook, Instagram. Your cat might like me. Bob, get rid of the cat. In the slow-mo. Thank you. Here she is. Try to make her look as cute as possible. I try not to come off too alluring. Don't want anybody to get any ideas, but... Ooh, wait. Oh my gosh! Yeah. It's probably why I'm not dateable. Put off a lot of masculine qualities, but it's a lot of sugar, man. You know, it's hard to chew. I really shouldn't have... Yeah. Oh, but... No. Way too much sugar. I shouldn't have... Bye, guys. Hold on. Yeah, this is gonna look so awkward. I just... Bleh. Wait. Okay, I don't know why I came back on screen right here. Just, you know what? I'm gonna get rid of this. Just hold on 1 minute. Hold on.